The plant cell wall is a complex and dynamic extracellular matrix that surrounds every plant cell, providing structural support, protection, and playing a crucial role in various physiological processes. Layers of the plant cell wall. Plant cell walls can be organized into three main layers. Middle lamella. This is the outermost layer and the first layer formed when new plant cells are produced. It is rich in pectin and acts as an adhesive layer that cements adjacent cells together. Primary cell wall. This layer is deposited on either side of the middle lamella and is present in all plant cells. It is relatively thin and flexible, allowing for cell growth and expansion. The primary cell wall consists mainly of a network of cellulose microfibrils interwoven with hemicellulose and embedded in a pectin matrix. Secondary cell wall. This layer is formed inside the primary cell wall in some plant cells after they have stopped growing. It is thicker and more rigid than the primary wall, providing additional structural support and strength. The secondary cell wall has a higher cellulose content and often contains lignin. It can be composed of multiple sublayers, S1, S2, S3, with different orientations of cellulose microfibrils, contributing to the wall's mechanical properties. Not all plant cells. The composition of the cell wall varies depending on the plant species, cell type, and developmental stage. However, the primary components include cellulose. This is the most abundant organic polymer on Earth and forms the main structural component of the cell wall. Cellulose molecules are long, unbranched chains of glucose units linked by beta-1 to 4 glycosidic bonds. These chains aggregate to form microfibrils, providing high tensile strength to the wall. Hemicellulose. This group of branched polysaccharides cross-links with cellulose microfibrils, forming a network that adds strength and flexibility to the wall. Hemicelluloses are diverse and vary in their sugar composition, such as xylose, arabinose, mannose, galactose, and glucose, depending on the plant species and cell type. Xyloglucan is the most common type in primary cell walls of dicots and non-grass monocots, while glucuranoarabinoxylon predominates in grasses. Pectin. These are a complex group of negatively charged polysaccharides rich in galacturonic acid. Pectins are highly hydrated and form a gel-like matrix in which the cellulose-hemicellulose network is embedded. They contribute to cell adhesion, cell wall porosity, and play a role in cell signaling and development. Calcium ions can cross-link pectin molecules, influencing cell wall stiffness. Lignin. This complex phenolic polymer is deposited primarily in the secondary cell walls of certain plant cells, such as xylem vessels and sclerenchyma cells. Lignin provides rigidity, strength, and impermeability to water, playing a crucial role in vascular transport and structural support in woody tissues. Structural proteins. Small amounts of proteins, about 1 to 5% of the dry weight, are also present in the cell wall. These include hydroxyproline-rich glycoproteins, arabinogalactan proteins, glycine-rich proteins, and proline-rich proteins. These proteins are involved in cell wall structure,